Hello everyone. Today we have 10 real coffee shop conversations to help you learn English. In this video, you will follow a simple and relaxing story about two co-workers taking a break at a cafe. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What kind of coffee does Emma like to drink? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. Alright, are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Oh, I'm so tired today. You look tired. Emilia, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay, but I need a break. Me too. I have been working all day. I need a break too. It's been a long day. Do you want to get a drink? A drink? Yes, that sounds really good. What kind of drink do you want? I think I want coffee. What about you? I want coffee too. I really need coffee right now. Coffee gives me energy. Me too. Coffee always helps. Let's go to a cafe. A cafe? That's a great idea. Do you know a good cafe near here? Yes, there is a nice cafe just around the corner. It's very close. Oh, really? I did not know there was a cafe near our office. This video will continue. I will upload the next part soon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.